If you're looking for a reliable, state-certified, insured, and licensed air conditioning and heating contractor, you've come to the right place. The professionals at America Fresh Air and Heat is a disabled veteran, family-owned business and has been serving Central Florida for more than 50 years with their team of highly skilled and trained technicians. America Fresh Air and Heat serves the following Central Florida counties: Orange, Osceola, Seminole, Lake, and Northern Polk County for residential and commercial heating, cooling, and refrigeration. Florida's warm climate puts a strain on your air conditioner, and having it properly serviced and maintained will save you money in the years to come. But when it breaks down, you need to make sure you hire the right AC professional. As Central Florida's full-service air conditioning and heating contractor, you can rest assured that you'll receive prompt, friendly service with reasonable and fair prices on all of our services. America Fresh Air and Heat can service and repair all brands of air conditioning systems. Call America Fresh Air and Heat, your Central Florida air conditioning contractor, at 407-443-0787. That's 407-443-0787.